I'm seeing everything so different, like I'm looking at the world through a brand new lens. Every shade of green and blue.
Lahat po ng aking natutunan ang galing po kay Sir Carmelito Aluna.
You make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate.
Firstly, thank you for the life of our beloved Papa. Thank you for blessing him with another year, a life filled with love, laughter, and strength. We also thank you for the achievement of Ate Cass, who has graduated and passed her board exams to become a dentist.
Found a story that we saw. Every moment is a song.
Would like to thank my beautiful family to make this celebration possible.
Celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
Lahat kayo dito, everyone, thank you so very, very much from the bottom of my heart. You made our celebration complete. We are really very grateful and gratitude for your presence, for your time and effort to be with us tonight.
To me, you make me wanna celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight.
Yung malakas na woo! What is the favorite food of Sir Chito? Kala ko nga pampano ang yung paborito niya eh. Yung pampano, pampalakas, pampaano, ano ba? Alam niyo, yung pampaano, lakas.
The only bello in your family. So, wish you all the best, Patrick.
And I hope and pray for your good health, good wealth, and a happy, fulfilling, beautiful years ahead.
Yung pinagkatiwala mo sa aking sasakyan nasa baba. May dala na rin akong bond paper.
For those of you who know Papa, alam niyo naman na tahimik lang siya. Hindi siya masyadong madaldal, pero kapag may chismis, may issue, lagi siyang may say. Siya yung may mga ginagawang maliit na bagay na alam mo na may care siya sa'yo and may love siya sa'yo.
My name is Liana. I'm the youngest daughter, and I'm the goody two-shoes, the obedient child, the sunod-sunuran. When he gets the chance, he would slide in something to say about me and Ate, even to someone he just met. You leave him for a minute, and the next one, pinapakita niya na sa sales lady yung graduation pictures namin. Lalayo lang kami saglit, pagbalik yung kahera, tawag na kay Ate Doc. So, ganun lang. But that's one of the things we love about him. He's not afraid to show how much he cares. So, ayun lang. Thank you, Papa, for everything that you do for me and the family. And speaking of being proud, I also want to take a moment to celebrate someone. Will always support you just like how I trusted you back when I became your very first patient. All I wanted was whitening, but we ended up doing some deep cleaning. Ang sakit. Sakit na. Ginibig. Ang sakit talaga. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, tiisin ko doon dyan yung probe. So, dapat sa akin yung probe. Sabi niya, okay.
Oh, ayos pa tayo dyan. All I wish is the best of health. Alam ko, mas matanda ako sa'yo. Pero never natin pinag-usapan ang edad natin, di ba? Ayos pa tayo, Bok? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
so different. Like I'm looking at
We are proud of you. Wishing you all the best. We love you very much. God bless.
Para sa birthday celebrant and to my inaanak si Dr. Cass.
Cheers!